little artists! Today we're going to learn and draw different kinds of fruits. Step by step, first we draw an apple. Apples are crunchy, juicy, and make your tummy happy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it's super yummy too. Apples can be red, green, or yellow, like a rainbow of health. Second, we draw a banana. Bananas are sweet and smiley like a happy yellow moon. Peel a banana and you get a soft, tasty treat that gives you energy. Bananas are the superheroes of fruits. They give you instant power. Third, we draw a cherry. Cherries are tiny, red, and full of fun. They look like little rubies. Pop a cherry and feel a burst of sweet and sour magic in your mouth. Cherries love to sit on cakes and make them extra pretty. Now we draw a dragon fruit. Dragon fruit looks like a magical dragon egg. Pink on the outside, dotted inside. Eating dragon fruit feels like you're tasting a treasure from a fairy tale. Dragon fruit is not only yummy, but also makes your tongue go wow. It's color time. We use red and apple, yellow and banana, red and cherry, pink and dragon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.